So I just got in this JFEGWO jump starter, 6,000 amp. Got LED lights and all that good junk on it. And they asked me if I wanted to do a little review or whatever on it, and I told them yeah, just because good to have a little jump starter. And I don't really have one anymore because mine's broken. So comes in a nice little case here. Shipped pretty fast. So you got your instruction manual here. That's their website, jfegwo.com. You've got the jump starter, the manual, you got the clamps and all that, and you got an air hose extender because it's also got an air pump on it. So you can pump up different stuff. It tells you all the specifications. So you got 12 volt, you got some USB outlets on it, you got your input to charge it, you got all your indicators and all that. You know, it's pretty good instructions. Pictures, I like pictures. So you open this up here. Pretty simple. I mean, it probably needs to be charged, but this is how you charge it. You can inflate it with or without the adapter. Your air pressure gauge here. Yeah, like I said, you got the charger here. Can also go from 12 volt, like a car lighter, cigarette lighter if you don't have power in your truck. And you have two USB plugs. You got another 15 volt in. So let's see, hope it's 100% right now. And hold the power button, you got your light, pretty bright, in case it's dark or something like that. So you, like I said, you've got the air hose, you screw it on. Comes with cables, so you can jump start, and then the air hose extender with some different little connections on the inside, and then pump up a ball. So here on this side with the light, you got the starter port. So all you gotta do is plug it in, and then you've got your battery jumping. 6,000 amp. So it should start multiple vehicles. As you can see, you got your pump, so it's going to tell you the pressure in the tire or whatever. I'll try it out with this boat tire right quick. You got it plugged in there. And as you see, it says 34.5 psi. So you can inflate with the adapter. That's if you have it plugged in, but if you want to go wireless, just run it off of the battery on this. You pump it up, and see it's at 36. You can set it to how high you want to go. So say I want to go 40. It'll pump it till 40. Turn it off, and you just undo your little connection here quickly, and then you're good to go. I mean, that's pretty simple. I don't have anything I can jump start right now. It also has a temperature control on it to where if it gets too hot, it'll stop. What I like about it is it's got a nice case. Just put that in your toolbox or the back seat of your truck or whatever. You got to be over 50% of power level on this little screen here to jump start a car. If you're under the 50%, just charge it up in your car or whatever. Outlet, you can use it. I'll put these instructions back so I don't lose them. And like I said, I will try to find something that I can jump start later and see how well it works, but I do like the little case it comes in. Easy, small. So I had video the other day kind of showing this thing in use, and this is like a perfect scenario because in these BKTs I don't run, I think they have tubes in them, and I don't run more than about 5 psi. This one's actually a little low. It's at 3.5 psi. So the lowest it'll go is 26. I can just air it up. It'll tell me now I'm at 4. Still at about 4. And you get the idea. That way you can kind of set it, because most air gauges don't read to 5 psi. I just kind of eyeball it normally, but I'm gonna set all these at about 5 psi now, 5.5 maybe.